Meaning of hustler.
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 Hustler. The term hustler is often used to describe someone who is determined and hardworking in achieving their goals, especially in business or financial matters. It may also refer to someone who engages in deceitful or shady practices to make money. The term can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the context. Positive connotations of a hustler include someone who is entrepreneurial, driven, and innovative. Negative connotations may include someone who is dishonest, manipulative, or involved in illegal activities. Overall, the meaning of a hustler carries a complex range of interpretations.